To connect Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro into your iPhone, first of all, you will have to start by turning on your watch and then navigate into the App Store and search for the Huawei Health application. Once you actually download this application, you will have to go into the settings on your iPhone and you have to search for Bluetooth settings. Just be sure that you turn them on. And now just go back into this Health application and open it. First of all, we have to select our region. By clicking here, we can find a list of all available regions and click Next. Click Next again. We have to actually accept some kind of the permissions. So click Allow. And right now we have to go for Devices, click to add the device. And right now all you have to do is just to log in by using your Huawei ID. And if you don't have Huawei account, then you can simply register right now by clicking right here. And next you will have to send the verification code. So right now you will receive that code on your email and you will have to just input it like so. And you can just go forward by clicking OK, but also you can change verification method if you want to do this. And right now click continue at the bottom. And what you have to do is just simply click to turn all and now click allow in the right upper corner. Next, we have to go for devices one more time. And as you can see right now, we are not connected. So we have to click on this icon to reconnect, click allow. And after a few seconds, we should get the pairing request. But if it is not working properly, then we will go into the Bluetooth settings and pair it manually. But as you can see now, all you have to do is just to accept the pairing request by clicking on this button on the right side. And on our iPhone also, we have to click on this pair request and accept all of those permissions and notifications. When you hear that sound, it means that we successfully connect, and now we have to just accept another permissions one by one. That's basically it. So it's actually, as you can see, it's actually quite simple. And if you find it useful, please hit the like button.